Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send view once voice message on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple. So as you guys can see at the top, it says voice message with one at the side. It means this voice message can be viewed only once. Once it's viewed once by anybody, it's going to be deleted. So you need to keep that in mind. This is how it works. And to send a view once voice message, you can see the little, message or voice icon at the bottom right of the screen. Hold on it, and while it's recording your voice, drag it up where it shows you the log icon. Once you drag it to the top where it shows you the log icon, you can click on the one button right beside your voice message. Once you click on it, it is going to say voice message turned on. Once you do that, if you send this voice message can only be viewed once. As you guys can see, it says one voice message. So that is how you guys can send a view once voice message on WhatsApp. And if you don't see the one button even after swiping up, then basically you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. I hope you understand how this works. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.